Hello everyone, today we address how to send the installation instructions to your users. From the dashboard, I go into the user tab, and if I want to send the instructions for only one person, I can go ahead straight to the settings, and there I have the options to send the instructions. I can see a sample of the email just to make sure it is the right one, and then I can confirm. And on the user side, they will receive an email just like this one, and if they notice any error or if they want to change a portrait or anything else, they can go ahead and edit their information by simply clicking on the button and filling in the form as they want it. So that is the way if only one person is impacted, or if you wish to do it people by people. But of course, if you have a large team, you can select all of them, or specifically the ones that you want, and then select a grouped action, and you have the option send installation instructions. It's that simple. We're happy to help. If you have any problems, you can contact us directly, and I will see you on the next one.